In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to eToro with Revolut, PayPal, Wise, or your credit or debit card. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're on the official eToro website or app before entering any information. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the funding options from your main dashboard. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Deposit Funds. This is the section where eToro lets you add money to your account so you can start investing or trading. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. After that, enter the amount you want to deposit. Be careful here and type the exact amount you want to add to your account. It's always a good idea to double-check the figure before continuing, especially if you're funding your account for the first time. Once you've entered the amount, open the Payment Method menu by clicking the drop-down. This will show you the payment options currently available for your account. Depending on your region and account settings, you may see several choices. Now, select your preferred payment method. You can choose Revolut, PayPal, Wise using bank transfer, or a credit or debit card. The best option depends on what's most convenient for you. Some methods may process faster than others, while some may be better if you prefer using a certain app or bank service. After choosing your payment method, enter the required payment details. The exact information will depend on the method you selected. For example, card payments will require card information, while bank transfer or digital wallet options may redirect you to another platform to continue securely. Make sure all details are entered correctly to avoid delays or failed deposits. Next, review the deposit carefully. Check both the amount and the selected payment method to confirm everything looks right. This quick review step can help prevent mistakes and gives you one last chance to make changes before submitting. When everything looks good, click Continue. This will take you to the payment provider or to a confirmation page, depending on the method you chose. Finally, complete the deposit by following the on-screen prompts. You may need to approve the payment, confirm it in your banking app, or finish a short verification step. Once that's done, the funds will be processed and added to your eToro account. Thanks for watching.